live, we asked you guys if you think we should be allowed to drink, which, I mean, I don't really know who was stopping us in the first place, but look, we are drinking. We got the glasses, we got the wine. We are going to be talking about the Fiero Wine Kit today. It's a wine expert kit, it's a private reserve kit, and we're going to be drinking it and telling you a little bit about the different flavors, where the region that it comes from, and yeah, so let's try some of this here.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers at 11 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
It smells good.
Oh yeah, I'm supposed to smell it, right? I know nothing about wine, so she's teaching me. It does smell good.
Well, my whole theory is a good wine is a wine that you think is good. So if you like it, it's good.
Wine is a wine you think it's good.
That's it. You know, everybody's got something different.
It's very red. That's my contribution.
I could drink this for a while.
Yeah, this is actually pretty good. So it's from Salento, Italy, which is a part of a sun-kissed peninsula at the southern tip of Puglia. So it's like the very, very bottom of Italy. And the grape that it comes from is called Primitivo. They're very proud of that grape in that region. And the hot and dry climate is tempered by cool breezes from the sea, so it makes really, really good growing conditions for the wine, or for the grapes. That'd be cool if you could just grow wine right off.
Even better.
But yeah.
Yeah. You know what? This is the addition we needed.
For sure. So the flavors. Now like I said, I know nothing.
Well, at home, what kind of wine would you drink?
I would generally drink something like Moscato, which is like way different than this.
Absolutely.
So this is dry, and like I can tell that it's like dry instead of sweet because like you can feel it in your mouth, the tannins, which is like the part of the grape that makes it taste like kind of dry, or like bitter kind of. I don't know. Not necessarily bitter.
Bitter.
But it kind of like
It still leaves you thirsty.
It's kind of like you want to do that at the end of it, you know what I mean?
And you can if you want.
Yeah.
So this is very different for your profile.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I like it. It's
Did you
not,
taste the berries?
Yeah, and it said that it had plum in it too, and I can kind of taste that. It's been a while since I've had a plum, but
I know. I like plums.
yeah. So.
No, this would definitely be real close to what I would open at home. I love dry. I love kind of big, bold reds usually. This actually is fairly mild as far as like not like a big peppery cab.
No, it's not, cause like I feel like you guys would know my reaction if it tasted like that, cause I'd be like, I'm tasting this for a while. This is great.
Yeah. No.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, and I think you know, as far as pairing this with food would be the answer because it's not overpowering. Sometimes your food overpowers the wine, or the wine overpowers the food, and I think this guy would play well with others.
Yeah. So it was saying the best foods to pair it with would be foods like pizza, like maybe like pizza with like sausage or onions on it. And then also maybe like an eggplant parmesan. So like classic, what I think of like classic like Italian food. I'd love to actually go to Italy one day and like get that taste.
I would drink this
food,
here.
Yeah, I'd drink it.
So, you know, I had never heard of a Primitivo, and I love big red wines. And so when you said this is what we were going to do today, I did a little research. And I think if you like Zinfandel, if you really enjoy a good Zinfandel, you will enjoy a Primitivo. So California is known for their Zinfandel. They do a beautiful job of it. The grape is really the same but a different region. And so I went out because we haven't made this kit. It's new in our store and we haven't made it yet. So I had to find a Primitivo that had the same structures as our private reserve kit. And I had a hard time. I had to go to 2 stores. And what I found was they have it hidden in the back of the Zinfandel section.
Oh, okay, because it's like similar, but...
And even though, and you'll see it's all California, okay, this is Italian.
Yeah.
And so it actually only said Primitivo on the little card that was from the vintners. It didn't say it for the American shopper.
Mm-hmm.
So you may have had a Primitivo, you just didn't know it.
Yeah, I just never known it.
You thought you had the Zinfandel.
So if you get this kit and you make it, you can say that you're making like a rare Italian wine. In a sense, not really, but
No, but in a sense, rare for us to try it
Right.
here in the U.S.
right. It would be like similar to like I had a beer that it was one of the only porters from a specific region that was like sold in the U.S. and I felt really cool drinking it, even though like we get stuff from other countries all the time.
We do, but I think
But like
we don't
it's
have it all.
just like something unique about it, you know what I mean? Because there's so much like there's so many different nuances from different countries, and so it's just always unique to or like cool to try something different, you know?
Agreed.
But yeah.
And I think the other thing we have to, you notice it's not real acidic.
Mm-mm.
So some of the wines that I enjoy are really acidic, and my husband avoids anything with an acid like it's the plague, and he would enjoy this.
Yeah. Honestly, this is the best red wine.
The more you drink it?
Yeah, no, the more I drink, I know, I'm like trying to...
No, it's true though. The more you drink it, the
Yeah.
smoother it is, the more berries. Yeah.
It's really good. And it's 14% alcohol is what we're at. Oak is medium. What does that mean?
Well, there's going to be oak chips in here.
Okay.
So you're going to oak during your fermentation, and it's going to look like you're putting sawdust in your wine. Swear. You're sprinkling this in, and it just seems really
this is gonna be good.
like you shouldn't be doing that. But it's going to soak that flavor up. Okay, so that the oak is toasted. That toasted oak is going to go through there. It's not super in your face oaky. It just has a nice, just a nice flavor.
Yeah.
But part of what kind of is that maybe dry and earthiness. Okay, that you're not going to get for a sweet wine.
So we also sell the like different types of toasted oak. So is there a specific type that was in this kit?
I'm
or-
sure there is. I
don't
don't know.
know
I don't know if
which
it even
one.
says because,
Yeah.
and I don't think it says which. Although they will pair it. We sell American, French, and Hungarian.
Mm-hmm.
We sell it in chips, shavings, cubes, spirals, and bottle spirals. And we have just gotten in, and I may have this. They're like honeycombs.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah,
I saw
super
that.
cool, very different. So we have all of that, and on top of that, if you're making something, and you want to do like a bourbon barrel or we have bourbin barrel, we have like a tequila, we have brandy. There's all kinds of them that are also soaked in flavors,
Mm-hmm.
so you can add that.
Yeah.
It's good for beer too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think that's really cool because then it's like that basically is the same effect of like putting it in a barrel, like, or is that different?
No, it's
But it's
relatively.
but it's relative. Okay.
Yeah, much easier
I mean,
than
yeah.
managing a barrel.
Yeah.
Oak barrels are a little more complicated. You know, the cleaning, the maintenance of them. This gives you that oaking without having all of that
And
maintenance.
if you live in an apartment like me, you don't have to keep a barrel
How
inside.
about in a
your-
condo?
Yeah. Yeah. Paula lives in a condo like right on the water.
On the water.
Rolling the barrel down the sidewalk down there. She lives in like kind of like a touristy, like a little bit tourist area. So I can just imagine her like rolling a barrel down. Like, don't mind me, I'm just making my wine.
I'd be on Facebook for sure.
Yeah.
Differently though.
Yeah, differently.
Yeah.
Oh,
And,
cool.
and you know, this kit also contains grape skins. And that's the one thing about the private reserve kits that you're going to find in here, I think you're going to love. We've got a couple things about private reserve in general, not just even this Primitivo, but the private reserve, you can see how big this box is. That means that bladder of juice is big. So your ratio of juice to water is much better than if you were at a different level kit.
Mhm.
Okay, that's obviously going to be way more flavor.
Yeah, for sure.
And then secondly, you have that next bladder full of grape skins. And although it does contribute to the price of the kit, it definitely contributes to the quality of the wine and the level of flavor you're going to get.
Mhm. And this kit is $179.
$174.99.
$174.99. So $5 off from what I just said. Get it now.
Just went on sale.
Just went on sale. $174.99. maybe likes like sweeter wines and things like that, and you're like, well, I don't like red wines. They're not like, they're too bold and whatever. Like, actually try this because it's pretty good. It's definitely, not sweet, but like she said, it doesn't have the acidity to it. It doesn't have. I can taste a little bit of the tannins like drying my mouth out, but not like a ton.
Yeah.
Like, and that's what I really like about it. Plus, you get to pair it with pizza, so.
What
really
goes wrong with that?
Yeah, you really can't go wrong.
Right, and it seems like if you're gonna say you can do it with eggplant, you can do it with pizza, it's just kind of one of those kind of wines that are not snooty,
Yeah.
which
Yeah.
I can dig.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, because if I'm wearing flip flops, I still want to have wine.
If I'm sitting in a hoodie and drinking wine, I'm all here for it.
Yeah. And if you order this on our website, it does hit the $50 mark, so you get free shipping right to your home. And I think we have 4 of them in stock right now. Willing to always get more of them.
Yeah. If you haven't signed up for like our email list or anything like that, we have a lot of deals that we're always putting out. Coupon codes. Make sure you're following us on like our Facebook, Instagram. You probably are if you're watching this. But also, there's a new video that'll be going up on YouTube like really soon, probably tomorrow or the next day or something, with the beer kits too. So keep an eye out for that. And with that, we should.
And I guess if you have an idea or you want us to feature something.
Yeah, if you want us to feature something.
I mean, certainly we're willing to drink. So whatever you'd like us to feature, you let us know.
Yeah.
And we'll figure something
And
interesting out.
Thursdays will be a good day.
I'm
both
never
for you
missing
and for us.
Thursday.
Cheers.